Hey everybody, today we're going to go over how to install an RV window. Whether it's a fresh install, replacing an old one, or just fixing a sill, the steps will all be the same with just some minor tweaks. This project should only take you about 30 to an hour on average. However, depending on how big the window is and your experience, this time might vary. Whether you're replacing a teardrop, an exit, or a frameless window, the installation would be the exact same. Before doing any installation or uninstalling anything, make sure you got the right window. To get the information for the size of window that you'll need, you'll have two options. One, on the inside of your window, there should be a data tag that says the size of your window. Or you can always measure the rough opening of the window. The rough opening is the hole in your wall. So you'd still have to take the trim ring off and measure the hole in the wall. The rough opening for the width of our RV window cutout ended up being 18 inches, while the height of the hole was just short of 22 inches. When measuring the inside of the RV window from edge to edge, we got 17 5/8 inches wide and 21 5/8 inches tall. Just a bit smaller than the hole in the wall, so it shouldn't be a struggle to fit it into the hole. The tools that you're going to need for this will be an impact, a Phillips bit, silicone, or butyl tape. If you're using silicone, you'll need a caulk gun. So you'll also want something to remove the old adhesive from the window and the wall. You can also use rubbing alcohol to clean off the remaining adhesive so the new one better sticks. And a second person will help to ensure the window doesn't fall out and break on you. And with that being said, let's get straight into it. The first thing is to make sure that you have a proper workspace. For ours, we need to move the dinette booth out of the way. Once this is done, this gives us access to remove our valance that is above the window. Now that the valance is down, you'll need to locate the screws securing the window in place. These screws will be around the window, going through the trim into a trench in the window itself. Once you've located all the screws, start removing them. Before removing all the screws, make sure you have someone on the outside of the window to ensure it doesn't fall out. However, due to the sealant being sticky, there's a chance that the window won't fall out. Once all the screws are removed around the window, you can pull the trim off the window. Now you just need to remove the main part of the window. We have to score around ours due to the fact of the old adhesive being sticky. While scoring around it, do be mindful not to damage your wall. You can always pull back on the window to try to loosen it and to wiggle it out. Once you have your old window removed, you can place it to the side if you're just redoing the seal, or you can throw it away if you have a new window to install. If you're using the window that you just took out, keep watching the video. If you're using a new window or this is a fresh install, skip to the time code on the screen. Now begins the tedious process of cleaning off the old sealant. Now that the majority of the old adhesive is removed, we're going to use the rubbing alcohol to get off as much as we can of the remaining old adhesive. Now you'll need to remove the adhesive off the wall around the window opening. This will be the same process as it was with the window. You'll just need to scrape off as much as you can and use some rubbing alcohol to get the remainder. The cleaner you get this, the better the window will stick. Just make sure you don't damage your outer wall. Now we'll want to add butyl tape to our window. You'll want to make sure that there's no gaps or breaks in your butyl tape. Or if there is, that they overlap to ensure that there won't be any leakage inside your RV. Then you'll just need to install the window back into the wall making sure that the drain holes are at the bottom of the window. This is where a second person will come in handy to hold the window in place while you're in the inside screwing the trim ring back on. Ideally, you will want to start in the corners of the window to make sure it's secure and sealed properly. Once the corners are secure, go ahead and finish securing the trim to your window with the remaining screws. So to reuse the window, we're using the previous holes that the window was installed with. For a new window install, you'll need to make sure that the holes on the trim ring line up with the trench on the window. When screwing down the window, make sure you secure it tightly. That way that your sealant has a good seal on the outside. Now go ahead and put your RV back together. We're just installing the valance back because we're going to swap out those blinds later. Whether you're replacing, installing, or just fixing a broken seal, as you can see, it's a simple and easy process that anybody can do. If you'd like to learn more about the windows that RecPro supplies, click the link in the description below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.